the center oriented early this morning, but church shifted from 7 to 3. So I'm gonna have a little bit of help. I can't pressure it too much because I still have to monitor she. Gonna use that one. What the hell? What the hell? He broke it. It look like he broke?
Yeah, he broke a glass to the barber shop.
Why did that?
He just lost one through it.
Why are we doing that?
I don't know if it's a madman.
He broke it. No?
Broke. Fully broke. How much is that? Yeah, man, I'm
come back, baby, come back. See where this is.
They frig the light now.